Hi, good afternoon everyone. This is Taufulou over here. Welcome back to my channel. I think it's been a while. I've been scouting some microphone that pin and it seems like a trend that everyone is using. I also got one from Lazada. So this is Amgras and I've seen a lot of reviews. It seems like not a bad product. So I got this wireless microphone Amgras Type C. So let's do the unboxing right now. Ooh, they have a manual guide. I don't know what's that. Hello, nice to meet you. Give 5 star. Oh, this is the product. Wow, not bad. Quite solid grip also. Ching, ching, ching. Then it comes with like that. Then there is a Type C charger also. Comes with a charger one. Oh, microphone. Interesting. So that's a set, a box, and another box, and a microphone, and a Type C USB charger. Then let's see what's in here. Ooh, there's 2 units available because I bought 2. Any guest that comes to the show, I can have another one more. So there's 2 person can talk. And I think this is stuck to the phone. Yeah, so that's basically it. A product simple unboxing for this.